In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Mint Mobile login problem. So if you're trying to log into Mint Mobile application and you're not being able to do it, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be the unstable internet connection. So make sure you're connected to a stable network. After you do that, you should be able to log into your account. If still you're not being able to log into your account, what you have to do is check the credentials. Open the Mint Mobile application. Now in the login interface, what you have to do is make sure you've entered the correct credential. If you think you've forgotten the credential, tap on this option, need help logging in, that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find two options: forgot username, forgot password. Tap on the option of your choice, follow through the prompts, and you'll be able to recover your username or password. Now after you do that, in the login interface, enter the correct credentials and your problem should be solved. But still, if you're not being able to log into your account, what you can do is simply try updating the app. There might be some bugs in the application. Updating it will fix it. So what you have to do is open the Play Store. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is simply search for Mint Mobile. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find this application for Mint Mobile and tap on it. Now in this interface, if you find the option for update, tap on it. Wait for a while and the application will be updated. Now try logging into your account and your problem should be solved. But if your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache. For that, launch open app library of your device. Find the application for Mint Mobile and long press on it. Now tap on this option, app info, that you can see on the screen. Now in the app info interface, find this option for storage and cache and tap on it. Now over here you can see two options: clear storage, clear cache. Tap on the option clear cache that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, your problem should be solved. But if your problem is not solved, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the application and install it again. After you do that, your problem will surely be solved. But sometimes the problem might be with the device itself. So in that case, what you have to do is restart the device. For that, long press on the power button. You'll be able to see various options over here. Tap on the option restart that you can see on the screen. After you do that, the device will be restarted and your problem will be solved. So these are basically the ways to fix your problem. So that is how you fix Mint Mobile app login problem. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.